Oh, hi, it's Miss Citrus Maloney. And are you totally digging my fit today? Like, look at this fantastic hat and my heart sunglasses. And of course, my amazing Y2K overalls and sneakers. I am just loving this so much. Uh, yeah. Hi, I'm Citrus Maloney. This is the adorable Citrus Maloney Barbie doll that Sheri did. And are you kidding me? She did such a good job. Like, look, there's even heart sunglasses. And how adorable did she make this hat? It is just, it's me. It's totally me. And I love this like so much. Okay. Anyway, I am doing a troll time. We are doing troll time today. So let's just get into it. Okay, so today's troll is named Tracey, and Tracey says, I would never wear the stuff you make. Ew, and vomit emoji. Like, okay, Tracey, I'm pretty sure Sheri wouldn't want to wear your clothes either, but you know what? She doesn't go on your page and write that, because what kind of person does that kind of stuff? You know, like, oh, shocking. I cannot ever get my head around why people do that. It just doesn't make any sense. Like, you're so kind of, I guess, tangled up in your own self that you feel the need to go and be mean to strangers and probably the people you know and love, or supposedly love as well. Like, just don't do it. It's so easy to just not do it. Also, as Sheri's social media manager, I just want to point out that most, like 99.99999% of these comments are from her Facebook page. Like, I hope you guys understand that, right? Like, the YouTube commenters all seem to be pretty awesome. The ones that aren't, like, really aren't and are quite vile and disgusting and horrible or really pervy. But, you know, those are blocked and deleted. But I don't understand. There seems to be something about Facebook that just really brings out the mean in people. And I don't understand why, because across her other social media, it's not like this, like at all. It really does seem to be a Facebook situation. So if you guys want to hop over to her Confessions of a Refashionista Facebook page and, you know, show her some love over there, because a lot of it isn't. And I go through that like every single day, and I have to delete and block. And that's where, like I said, 99.9999% of these comments come from, is over there. So link is down below. Feel free to pop over and, you know, follow her over there and show her some love, because absolutely the love will cancel out the hate, right? Anyway, I cannot get over this Citrus Maloney Barbie and how totally perfect she came out. That is just fantastic. I know Sheri is actually making all of her staff into Barbies as well, so expect some more. And yeah, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video, and I guess until next time, stay safe, stay well, and we will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.